Hi everyone. There is no gainsaying the fact that health is wealth. So, here in this video, I'm going to share with you some tips to keep you healthy. And these tips, which I have collected, are either my personal experience or I have seen people being getting benefited out of them. So, here I go. One can have a healthy body and healthy organs if the blood supply is proper in all the parts of the body, organs especially. And very easily we can do it by applying this tip. Take a towel, a hand towel, and put it in water, normal water, not hot water, not cold water, normal water, and then wrung that towel, usko nichod do, and put that towel around your stomach. Especially it should cover your liver, your kidneys, and your stomach area, intestines. So what happens? Your blood circulation starts improving, and blood circulation will be smooth. So if it is smooth, you will not have any organ problems. And I have heard to an extent, I was watching one video of natural lifestyle where they had told that there was a lady, she could conceive just after 3 months, whereas she was not able to conceive for years. By only keeping that wet towel on her stomach, she did it for 3 months and she was able to conceive. So much power it has. And other than that, any kind of organ, you have a fatty liver, you have any kind of issue, so when you keep the wet towel on your stomach, the blood circulation starts improving and your health improves. It is very important to keep this wet towel at least for half an hour at a stretch on your stomach. And if you have some ailment, then at least twice a day. If you do it, it should help you. Very important tip. Sometimes we do end up eating something very heavy, a food which is full of fat and otherwise, which our body is not able to digest that day. Next day, it's advisable not to eat anything which is cooked otherwise, and can have something light like fruits, and you can give time to your body to get normal and digest what it has eaten the day before. Sometimes we do have body aches, etc., because we hold grudges against somebody. It weakens our immune system, hence we catch hold of a disease. But if we try to forgive the person, you will see that slowly and gradually you started feeling better and lighter. It is very important to take sunlight or sun bath every day, because it's, first of all, it stimulates our pineal gland. And another thing is, when you take sunlight, especially at your bare back, when you're not wearing anything at the back, you give it at your spinal cord in the morning and in the evening time. What happens? That the vitamin D which is there in your body, that starts getting absorbed, and you don't need to have supplements in any form, no calcium or vitamin D. Only by standing in the sun for some time, you are able to give your body the health which is required by the body. Another good tip: if you find somebody in anxiety or is in depression, this batch flower remedy, which is called rescue remedy, is really of great help to that person in that time. So try it and help somebody out. The super tip: whenever you are standing in a temple or in front of a god's idol, or any person you believe in, your guru or any devta, so just imagine that thing in front of you or that person in front of you, and imagine white light coming from him towards you and entering your body. Slowly and gradually you can take it through your crown chakra and take it to all the parts of the body. You will find slowly and gradually you becoming healthy and happy day by day.